there. So in the last video, we saw the syntax for the if function. Today, we'll be learning about nested if. But before going there, first let us understand what is nested if. What do you mean by nesting? So nested if is a structure when we have multiple ifs. One if condition is written within another if condition. Let us look at this example on the right over here to understand how the nested if function works. Again, we'll be entering a marks and we'll be making a check. Is the marks greater than 300? If it is not, then we'll be displaying fail. If the marks is greater than 300, then instead of pass, we have to make another check. In this case, if it is greater than 300, I'll be checking whether it is greater than 400 or not. If this is greater than 400 as well, then I'll be displaying very good, otherwise good. So in this case, as you'll notice, there are 3 display outputs and 2 if conditions. So let us see how to write a structure similar to this. In our previous video, we displayed fail or pass based on the marks. Now, in addition to fail or pass, I would like to display good and very good as well. So let us see what will be the if function for that. Logical test, this will be the first logical test over here. So I'll check marks greater than 300, comma. So in value of true part, I'll write another if function, and in this function, I need to check whether the marks is greater than 400. So again, I'll check whether this is greater than 400. Now, the value of true for the second if function. So the value of true is if the marks is greater than 400, it is supposed to be very good. So we'll write very good. And if the value greater than 400, that is this check logical test, is false, I'm supposed to display good. So I'll display good. When I close the bracket, I have completed this if structure. However, this if structure is still not complete. So when I put a comma over here, see that the value if false is again highlighted. This is for the first if structure because when we started this if, we moved right and went this side to the next if, but we did not write anything for the false part. So we know that for this if, the false part will be false. That is, if the marks is not greater than 300, then I'm supposed to display fail. So I'll write fail. Close the bracket and press enter. Now if I drag it down, wherever there was fail, I will get fail again because it is the same criteria. But wherever there was pass, I have now 2 alternatives for it. Either it will be good since this number is greater than 300 but less than 400, or it will be very good in certain conditions. So that is all about nested if. The main idea behind nested if is that there will be more than one if within a formula. So over here, as you can see, we have one if within another if. So that is the idea behind nesting functions.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. This video is part of our Excel basic training course, the details for which you can find in our website thephoenixhub.com. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.